personal. First team foul. Yun. Masuk ang isang pitcher ng number 34. Number 8. Number 30. Number 30. No good. Second shot clock. Number 8. Number 3. Tumama. Number 34. There's a whistle. Foul on number 5. First personal, second team fouls. Mayano. All two. Mayano. Second and last throw. Steal by number. Oh, almost. Number 2 to number 5. To number 3. Number 3. Block. Closing ball. Mayano. Complete steal, 14 shot clock. Number 10, Mendoza, 2 points. Time out! Home court. High 2. Ready on board? Number 3. Number 6, 7. There's a whistle. Foul number 24. First personal, first team foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 8. Uy, pinasa pa. And to shoot. 3 seconds. Panira na. Pinasa pa. Number 24. To Mendoza. To number 22 on the 3, the good. There's a rebound. Put back, the good. Short jumper, 42, 40 shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Outside. Salutation. 6-7. Nice pass over, nice block by number 34. Put back by number 11. to shoot.
Ayun yung number ko sa pangalan.
Ayun, trouble talaga.
Siliano lang yung free throw. 2 points si Mendoza.
34.
For the shot clock. Still for the shot clock. Nice speed move by number 6-7 rebound. To number 3. Rebound Milano. Passing 3. Mendoza. Intercept by number 30. To number 3. Long shot basket count. Foul number 24. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw by number 3.
Sino yung 6'7"? May water?
Nag-binat.
Ha?
Milano. Basket play to number 3. Number 3. Side step. No good. Working shot clock. 10 to shoot. 2 points, number 3. Mendoza. Foul on number 30, subdivision. Second personal foul, third team foul, sub. Florin.
After 76, Castaneda delivered. White 76, Castaneda.
May pushing foul tayo kay number 10, nakatukod. First personal foul and fourth penalty. Home court, 14 shot clock.
67 na lang.
Sa mga kaya, nag-binat.
14 shot clock. Milano. 2 points. 8-7. Number 11. To number 3. Side step attack. There's a whistle. Foul on number 19. Low. First personal 13 fouls.
Takbo ko ba?
Isa, subdivision. 9-7.
Ano pa nga nakashoot si Milano at si Mendoza. Nakaka-5 si Milano.
2 points, number 11. On court. 11-7. Rojo. There's a blocking foul. Number 10. Penalty na ang home court.
Nasa home court. Si Prince.
There's free throw Rojo. All number 22. Penalty na. Nice throw, passing play. Ay! Yun lang. Hindi na mabuti. Ang bola. Steal by number 2. Humming, lifting, carrying. One minute. Traveling. 54 seconds. Substitution. 6-7 out. Sarate. Steal. Number 11. 40 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Twenty-five substitution. Forest personnel. Fourteen to shoot. 15 seconds. Both teams penalty call number 19. Pro second personal foul. Second last four by number 7, number 10, sorry. I asked you. 10 seconds. 5. And the first quarter. Okay, plus 2 tayo. Home court, plus 2. Incomplete uniform ang DSA. May plus 2 tayo sa home court. Okay, 15-7. Plus na tayo. Okay, DSA ball. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go, let's go. Second quarter. Bola ng DSA.
Oli Tyler. Asti.
Okay, nabigay na yung plus 2 na home court. I-complete uniform DSA. Yan, 7:15 na natin. Okay, ready?
Tim pa lang. Kaya galing Peter. Tinton eh. Go.
Okay, let's go. Raimundo. And still by Laksal. Here's now Laksal bringing down the ball. Pass to number 25. And there's Lucella foul. Coming from jersey number 18. Pushing foul.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Fuentes. First throw. Medyo malakas. Malaki number 25. Second throw. And still in and out. Rebound by Villar. Pass to Del Mundo. Pass to Albay. Albay straight to the basket, short. And rebound by number 9 to Laksao. Here's now Laksao bringing down the ball. Laksao is speed drive. Short rebound by Fuentes. Pass to Del Mundo. This time, Del Mundo dribbling the ball and a double team by the home court pass to Kia, to Fuentes, to Del Mundo. Del Mundo pass the ball, but there's no reset. Oops, saglit lang. Foul on number 10, blocking foul on Laksao.
Tatlo na yan.
Okay, number 10, Laksao. That was your third personal foul. First team foul. Sabi, sabi. Okay, tatlo na, Laksao, third. Okay, bilang on the inbound. To Lekian. And a tap out. Save ball and shot clock down to 12, 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Del Mundo on the inbound. Ulisama the pass. To Bilar. 5 seconds to shoot. And there's always a trouble was called on the Kia. Ball will go to the home court. It's got number 9 on the inbound. Pass to number 25. 25. Setting the play for the home court. Pass to Asaldo. To number 25 from the corner. Too strong. Ball goes to Likian. Here's now Likian bringing down the ball. Likian. Almost losing the ball. The cover pass to Fuentes. Fuentes to Likian. And a 3 seconds violation was called on Albay. Okay. Score is 15-7. Still an 8-point lead for home court. Here's now Asalo. Pass to Castañeda. And still by Del Mundo. This time Del Mundo. Del Mundo blocked by number 76. But there's a whistle, a foul. Foul on number 9. Holy foul. And a timeout requested by home court.
Number 10. Ilan?
Tatlo.
Tatlo. Yung number 30.
Okay, back to the ball game. With 7 minutes exactly sa ating second quarter. Okay, Albay on the inbound. Pass to Del Mundo, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Del Mundo reverse and got a foul. Basket down, foul on number 9.
Dalawa.
Second personal foul, sabat. Second team foul para sa home court. Shooter daw, shooter. Okay, dalawa na yan para kay number 9, magkasunod. Okay, basket sub tayo ha. Bonus free throw kay Del Mundo, mag-exabit. Okay, Del Mundo will sit down, replaced by Charles Mendoza. The score is 15-10, down to 5-point lead para sa home court. Okay, ito na Saldo bringing down the ball, pass to number 25. Number 25, running by Fuentes, 14 on the shot clock to Asado. 10 seconds to shoot, Asado! Almost like a bounce, rebound, ball on the bounce. And ball will go to PSA and a substitution. Okay.
11 tsaka 3. 11-3 magkapatid.
Just got the Basa. To be done! That's a ball. Something for a turnover, Sabep. Okay. Ako muna si Villar. Asaldo. To Asaldo. 10 seconds to shoot to Garcia for 3. Wala para Kion Garcia. Rebound ni Kia. To Iliano. This time Iliano brings down the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Left open for 3. Short. There's a rebound by Iliano. In the back. And ball goes to Kion. There's a Kion. Bring down the ball. Kion. Pass to Asaldo. Asaldo fires for 3. Saved by Asaldo. Ball goes to number 67, Sarate. Baseline Asaldo. Destroying the ball. Number 8, blocked by Iliano. And still, same ball with 9 seconds on the shot clock. Asaldo. Five to shoot. And still. It's now Fuentes. Under the ball. Five. Recover by Fuentes. And pass to the opponent. Here's now Asado. 3-on-1. Asado. Kinaluha pa. Walang for 2 points. Time out. Requested by DSA. The shot is score 7-10. A 7-point lead for Hopeford.
Pero duty, di ba raw yung game?
This comes Mendoza to Galeria. And ball pass to the point. Here comes Sarate. Sarate to Asaldo. Asaldo setting the play pass to Asaldo. Too strong. Ball saved by Kion. Ball out of bounds. And ball going to DSA. Okay, here's comes Valentino. Ball for the rebound. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, guarded by Asado. To Iliano. Iliano, no look pass. No goes to Likia, but ball still by Asado. Asado, the brother of Asado. To Kio, pass. Almost good shot. Hindi na pumasok. Ito, Iliano. Iliano attacking the basket. Napalakas yung tira. Tira by Kio. Kio Rui. Okay, so look. Substitution. Okay, 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Okay, Tolentino going for the inbound. Luis with the pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Guarded by Asado. To Mendoza. Tolentino zigzagging. Rebound sa Brother to Asado. Almost losing the control. Here's Asado. Setting the play for Hopeford. Rapidosa shot and it's still by Del Mundo. Del Mundo is in 2 points. Cutting the lead down to 5. 7-12. Here's come Asado. Slowing the play. Setting the play for the white. Home court. Pass to Asado. Putting on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. And substitution. Shot clock 10 seconds. Okay, Rhodes will check in replacing Zarate. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Asado. To Asado. And a check foul. Number 43. Okay, shot clock is set to 14. Here's Asado. 10 seconds to shoot. Asado. Pull-up jumper. Wahoo! Asado. Illaro to Tolentino. Nice pass, overtake to Galilea. Shot. Wala. Kaya yung message ni Brown. Ito, number 25 seconds. With number 8, pull-up jumper. Medyo malakas ni Brown. Galmundo. Iska Galmundo. And a steal from behind by Asado. Asado is 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. Last ball possession para sa PSA. Score is 12-21. Baliktara. Here's now Tolentino. 10 seconds and a game over. Para sa PSA. Sayang yun. 8.6 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. 8.6. Okay. Pasa ka lang yan. Pasa ka lang. Okay, that's the end of the second quarter. Officially scored 12-21, 9-point lead, home court. Dito ka na magbukas, di ba? Dito ka ba? O saan ka dati?
Ito. Tayo nga na may iwan dito. Mataas ka.
Sabi, ano pala sila?
Sabi nyo, tika.
Oo, tapos.
Mga alas 4 na ako makakain.
Sino na dito po ka?
Si Mike.
Saka sino?
Si Erwin. Si Julius. Alam mo yun? Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter. Bola ng BSA. Home court.
Okay, kapit pala.
Okay, home court tayo. White ball.
Natamad nga dyan ako sa talingan.
Saan ka ba?
Hindi lang ako na-require nung line supervisor.
Duty.
Pero kami yung company sports fest. Badminton, table tennis, volleyball, sa basketball. Kaya ako nag-organize, pinag-head-organize sa basketball sa volleyball.
Okay. Fourteen shot clock. Garcia Kio for 2. Galmundo to Garcia. Back to Galmundo. Galmundo to Piloho. Back to Garcia. To Vidal. Vidal from the baseline. Short. Receive rebound by Piloho. 10 seconds to shoot. Galmundo. Back for 2. Down. Rio. Garcia. Laksa. 14 on the shot clock. Back to Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. Castañeda. To number 9. And 3 seconds violation. Okay. Del Mundo to Villar. Back to Del Mundo to Garcia. Mendoza. What a play! Napalakas na yung tira. Ese prima Maniliano. And a timeout. Tested by home court. Official score 16-23. Back to the ball game.
Alagay yung bag.
Kasi charger mo.
Ano pa charge ko kaya ngayon?
Ribay.
Ha?
Kasaksakan na charger mo. Lobat na ako. Ano natin full charge?
Okay.
Hindi, charge saksak
Back to the
na.
ball game.
Wala naman lang yan.
Eto, dito, tanggalin mo ito.
No?
Full charge. Ito pala.
Ruscam Garcia. Open shot clock. Kion, pulang jumper, back to back, 2 points para kay Kion. Ating na lead, back to 9, 16-25. Loho. And ito sa by Laksao. Laksao, waiting for his teammates. To Kion, 14 on the shot clock. Kion, another 3, long lang tayo. Okay, back to back to back. 2 points para kay Kion. Ruscam Mendoza, Bobatin! And there's a whistle. Okay, foul on number 0.
Sino yan? Sino nang...
Sub-sub. Del Mundo! Network 2! Ayan, ano ba yun? Okay. Okay. Nagyan lang ng ano, verbal advice. Yung dalawa. Hey! Nasab! Hey! Nag-ranking mo, DSA ha? Okay, meron tayong basket foul. Foul number 10. Yes, sub.
Dapat.
Okay, 4 para kay Mavertem, Laksaw.
Ay, mag-charge.
Warning.
Sige, bumabaw yan.
Okay, bonus free throw para kay Villar. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Asado. Challenge na sa kay Villar. Villar, talalang. Pero traveling yun. Okay, Asado. To Asado. Back to Asado. To Sarate. Sarate. Sigsaging slow motion. Ang ganda naman ng labas ng layup na yun. Nakalusot. Doon sa depensa ng USA. Kahit iluso naman eh. Nakalusot pa. Inlano. Uy, nawala sa balance doon. Okay, ito sa atong nangilaw na ball. Si Sarate. Sarate, kung Asado. Hey, kasama Villar. Gusto Villar, pass to Gloho, tas play! 2 points for Inano. 22-29. Eh, almost steal for Villar. Ito, Asado. Asado. Pinilit. Meron na po isa intes. Asado naman sa kabila. Wala. Pero meron tayong whistle. Foul number 22. Sub. Okay, time out. PSA.
Dalawa.
Okay, number 22, Del Mundo. That was your second personal foul.
Time out. Dalawa. Time out. Dalawa time out.
Okay.
Gamit na yung parehong tap nila, no?
Ha? Ha?
Damit na yung third quarter nila pareho, no? Oo, dalawa na lang fourth quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Kami na saksak. Ayan o, yung puti mo. O, charge siya ba yun?
Okay, back to the ball game. First throw connect. Second throw. Hindi malakas. Here we go. Ay! Second on the line. Lenya. Lenya. Okay. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Asado. To Asado. 10 seconds to shoot. Asado. Wala. Rebound by Flojo. To Del Mundo. Del Mundo, long pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, medyo kubit. Eliano, nice cut by Del Mundo. Walang mabubol. Ang ganda niya ito mga i-work itong dalawa ito. Del Mundo at saka Eliano. Masang-masang ko sa ilang laro. Ito, buti pang makakaw. Sarate. Hey! 10 seconds violation.
Richard mo kung kulit.
Okay. Vilmer. To Del Mundo. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito pass to Flojo. Wala. To Lodes. On the ball. Sarade. To Asado. Asado. Bringing down the ball. Guarded by Vilmer. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Tumama. Here's Camillano. Goes to Mendoza. Mendoza, ang magandang pasa kay Vilmer. So, 2 points. Apat na lang. Itong naman ng home court. 26-30. Ito, may agaw pa. Kuka na naman para Del Mundo. Dalawa na lang. Itong naman ng home court. 28-30. Ito. Ang ganda na itong at-drop. Hines na itong at-PSA. Roles, ito naman. Ay, another level. Ako, medyo na-pressure dito yung home court. Sige, Sob. Okay. Emiliano. LSD, manalo 25. Number 21, reverse block by Emiliano. Pero Del Mundo, long pass to Vilmer. Okay, umesi pa talo. Number 19. Loho. Loho, that was your third personal foul, sub. Loho, that was your third personal foul, 17 for BSA. Two minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Castañeda, a double team. Alex pass to number 8. Sabalo to Sarada for the finish. Yes, sir.
28-32 for pointing for the home court. With 1 minute and 45 seconds, Illano to Mendoza. Back to Illano. Hey, Mendoza! Laksao! Laksao! All alone! And 1 points. Nakakatawa ng bagay dito ang home court. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Sila naman ngayon ang nagtatrap. Hey! Over pa yun! Sabrap! Okay, magandang balik depensa dito ng home court kontra sa DSA. Tapos, Sabalo to Castañeda. Back to Castañeda. To number 25. 14 on the shot clock. Laksao. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul. Was called on number 25. 59 seconds, so 1 minute remaining. 59.6. Hey! Pasama Sabalo. Sabalo. Pumunta na ball. Sigsaging atake na basa. Record to close tama. Oops. Isa na lang tayo mga tingnan. Sa fourth quarter, ha? Oops, isa na lang tayo mga tingnan sa fourth quarter. Okay. Timeout requested by GSA. Okay, nawala yung post momentum dito ng GSA. Ayun na lang ako dito. Okay. Ito na. Okay, back to the ball game.
Nakita yung headset?
Okay, here's come. Fuentes going for the inbound. To Emiliano. Back to Fuentes. Fuentes to Belmundo. Pirme, 40 seconds. Pirme, baseline. Wala! Rebound by Sarado. 35 seconds. Crystal Sabalo. 30 seconds. Number 25. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala! 80 seconds remaining. Ito Del Mundo. Ito the ball. Del Mundo to Illano. Illano, Buguelo. Kick out pass. Pirme from the corner. Malakas. Put back. Del Mundo wala. And meron tayo foul. Number 22. Del Mundo. Third personal foul. 30 foul. Sub. Okay. 8.8 seconds remaining. 8.8. Sarate receiving the ball. Hard. Kiyon. Oh, muntik pa. Okay. Tatlo para kay Del Mundo at saka Illano.
Tatlo yung dalawa, no? Si Iliano at saka si Del Mundo.
Okay, ano the third quarter. 28-36.
Sige yan. Tatlo. Garcia, tatlo.
Saka si Sten. 4.
Oh, coach, dalawa. Okay, dalawang timeout para sa home court. Isa na lamang para sa DSA.
Ilan na yung 22? Del Mundo.
Tatlo. Si Del Mundo at saka si Illano. Isa na lang timeout.
Isa, dalawa.
Okay, back to the ball game para sa ating last quarter. 8. Ito, ginahabol ng DSA. Okay. Third. You and Tatatapon.
Plus 19.
Dalawa sa floor. Tatlo.
Loho, 19. Tatlo yan na.
O, tatlo din para kayo. Number 19.
DSA.
Holding shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Firme, shot. Rebound, Asado. Nuevo Asado. Oscar Asado. Running by Firme. Holding on the shot clock. Kion, fires, wala. Rebound saved by Sarate. Okay, Sabrep. Bigyan. Replacing Firme. Fuentes. Pass to Galmundo. To Illano. Illano. Nice pass to Likia. Time out. Okay. 30-36. 6-point lead. Home court. Both team. One timeout remaining. Both team. Isang timeout.
Nabalik niya yung Lakers.
8 seconds.
Kahit tatapil yun, hindi mo nakatawid.
14-second shot clock. Now the break time. Yano. Yano. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Milano. 36-32. Garcia intercept. Number 15. Substitution. Point shot clock. Sabalo in. Point to shoot. Milano back to back. 36-34. Naglamang foul tayo. Number 15.
50 isa.
First team foul. Number 11 to 6-7. Boarding to shoot. 10 to shoot. 3 points. By number 11. 39-34. Milano. Speed move. No good. Short. Rebound. Number 8 to number 3. To number 11 to Brothers. Brothers number 11. No good. Rebound 34. Intercept by number 11. No good. Rebound Milano. Milano. Intercept by number Sarate. Sarate behind the back pass to Garcia. 2 points. 41-34. Number 24. Intercept by number 20. 2 points.
Last time
One
out.
timeout on DSA. Last timeout. 5 minutes 34 seconds.
Saan na nakashoot kasi?
11.
11?
Silang naman nakakain.
DSA, di ba?
Oh, hindi.
Ha?
Milano kanina. Milano. Ha? O di 43 na, no? 11. 43-34, baliktaran.
Baliktaran. Back to the ball game. Sana all.
Ako na lang. Dalawa yung bit-bit eh.
Back to the ball game. Ready on board.
Dilig lang yata yun. Meron, nandyan na yung Raven. No? Ay na si Coach. Oh.
Mendoza. Segundo.
Sa tataw sana.
14 to shoot.
Apat na kamay ko.
Hindi, kaya nga sabi ako na lang.
Anong kunin ko?
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Five to shoot. Yeah, tuloy. Intercept by Mendoza. To Del Mundo. A good rebound number 8. I foul. His foul number 42. Second team fouls. First personal. Number 8. 14 to shoot. Number 11, a three, a good rebound. Number 3, 14 shot clock. Garcia, the good rebound, Milano. Boom. Six-second rebound. Trouble. Mendoza. Segundo back to Mendoza. Hindi. Number 11, substitution. First team foul. 14 shot clock. Del Mundo on the three. Del Mundo. 3 points. 37-43. Garcia. To number 8. Halftime. No good rebound. Milano. To Mendoza. Ay! Hindi nakatingin si number 8. Sayang naman. Runs up. Botoloho.
Number ko.
Quilano lays up 2 points. Quilano. 43-39. Nakasisiliano ang kapatid.
Ano mga si Iliano?
Substitution for number 8.
Sino yung nakashoot ng pangano nila? Wala to kanina. Nilagay ko lang.
13 points na ang Team
Wala
DSA.
yan. Kasi mayroon. Bagay mo pala sila.
43.
39-43.
39 pa lang sila. Wala yan. Lagay mo lang siya. Dagdag mo lang yun.
Foul number 8. Away from the ball. Entering for penalty na ang DSA. Last 2 minutes. Number 3, Lisa. No good. Piloho. Ito sa Paisalate. Same ball tayo. 14 shot left. 14 shot left. Mendoza. Six-seven, Sabate. Foul number 22. Penalty. Fourth personal foul. Penalty na ang DSA. Forty shot clock. Garcia on the 3. Still 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Foul on number 34, Iliano. Penalty. Fourth personal foul.
Sam. Sam.
Iliano?
Ano sila nariyan dito eh? Ayan no?
Ah, sorry.
34 ba? 24?
34.
O, di sarap.
Ay, 24 pala ang apat. Isa pa lang pala si Iliano. May 24 pala ang apat. Sorry naman.
Apat naman sa 24?
Foul.
Apat na sa
19. Blowo, ilan si Blowo?
24? All ba siya ngayon? Apat.
Fourth personal, Blowo. So, isa pa lang si Iliano.
Sa pangalan nakasulat dito.
First
Wala pang
personal foul pa
nakalagay.
lang si Iliano, ha? Correction. Yan ang apat.
24 ilan na yun?
Apat.
Sure ka?
Yan ang apat.
Wala nakalista dito
Ah,
eh.
tatlo.
Wala nakalista eh.
El Mundo. Number 5. Substitution.
Dalawa.
Second personal. Second team fouls. Lima lang yan. 45-40. One minute. 40 shot clock. 5 seconds. 56.6. Sub. Fifty-six seconds. Fifty seconds. Seconds. 36 seconds. Timeout, home court.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, next game, prepare tayo. Seconds. 15. And okay, 15 seconds remaining. Kion on the inbound. And a top out. 15 seconds remaining. And a foul was given by number 34, Indiano. Penalty.
Basket tayo! Basket! Basket! Yeah? Last time,
Okay, 2 out of 2. It's a next round. 8 seconds remaining. Five. Still. Okay, congratulations. Hopeford. Final score 14-47. Next game, warm up. Raven versus Ryan.
Oh, jangan doang nga eh. Extension. Kapusado? Ah, asaldo.
Di, asalto. Kasi ilan sila mga
Wala ka ba?
Si 11 tsaka sino po? 13?
11 sa 30.